Welcome. If you're tired of getting those constant reminders about your saved pins on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to turn off those push notifications for reminders, all using the latest Pinterest update on your PC. Let's jump right in. First, open up your favorite browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize your Pinterest experience. Now, inside the settings menu, look for the section called Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all the options related to how Pinterest keeps you updated. Here's where you can really take control. Under Notifications, you'll find a category called Reminders at Pins You Saved. This is the setting responsible for those push notifications you've been receiving. Click on it, and you'll see the option to disable push notifications. Simply toggle off the push notification setting for reminders. This will stop Pinterest from sending you those little nudges about your saved pins. No more interruptions while you're browsing or working. Before you leave, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This step is important to make sure your changes are applied, and you won't keep getting those notifications. And that's it. You've just learned how to prevent reminder push notifications for your pins on Pinterest, right from your PC, using the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your distraction-free Pinterest browsing.